I'm facing it.
Okay, who's gonna be a bathroom? You're not in the water yet, Lou. Why are you swimming? Aww. That fast.
Everybody do the color. Can't control yourself any longer. Feed. Oh, he's so scared though. Put him down.
Swimmy, swimmy. Look at you. You're dancing with his feet.
Good boy.
Jakey. Jakey.
I'll give Jake one too. Just give me him.
Oh, his collar's on.
No, they can just do it really quick.
Hi,
Just
Lou.
one finger to help me just in case.
Put your other foot down.
He doesn't know what water is. This is Jake for cash.
Be careful, you guys.
Shh. Now we're all gonna take this together.
Lou won't put his foot down. Keep proper.
No conditioner on Jake, but you have conditioner.
Good. Okay, have a good bath.